Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito at home without Sprite. Making a classic mojito is surprisingly simple and incredibly refreshing. You will need just a few key ingredients to get started. First, gather about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and 1/2 of a lime, cut into wedges. You will also need 2 ounces of white rum, some simple syrup, and club soda. These fresh ingredients are the foundation of a perfect homemade mojito. Now, let's get to the heart of the mojito, muddling. Take your 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and the 2 or 3 lime wedges and place them into a sturdy highball glass. Next, add about 1/2 to 1 ounce of simple syrup, depending on your sweetness preference. Gently muddle these ingredients together for about 10 to 15 seconds. The goal is to release the aromatic oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, not to shred the leaves. With your mint and lime muddled, it is time to introduce the rum. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your preferred white rum directly over the muddled mixture in the glass. After adding the rum, fill the entire glass to the top with crushed ice. Crushed ice helps to chill the drink quickly and provides a pleasant texture. Give the mixture a gentle stir for about 5 to 10 seconds to ensure all the flavors are well combined. Finally, let's complete your delicious mojito. Top off your glass with about 4 to 5 ounces of club soda or sparkling water. This adds the essential fizz and lightness to the drink. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your mojito with a fresh sprig of mint and a thin lime wheel. Give it one last gentle stir, and your perfectly crafted, refreshing homemade mojito is ready to be enjoyed. Cheers to your mixology skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.